peels you throw away, and why that might be a big mistake. Most of us casually discard the peels of fruits and vegetables, without realizing that these seemingly useless parts are actually packed with valuable nutrients. Surprisingly, the skins we throw away can offer a variety of health and household benefits. Bananas. We often toss away banana peels without a second thought. But did you know that the peel makes up nearly 1/3 of the banana's total weight and contains essential nutrients? Banana peels are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and even tryptophan, which may help boost serotonin levels. Oranges. Roughly 20% of an orange's weight comes from its peel, yet most people discard it. In 2018 alone, over 15 million tons of orange peels were wasted globally. Orange peels are full of vitamin C and compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. They can be candied, zested for desserts, or dried and ground for herbal teas. Kiwis and pomegranates. Kiwi peels make up about 9 to 13% of the fruit's total weight, and pomegranates contain nearly equal amounts of peel and arils. Kiwi skins are edible and rich in fiber and antioxidants, while pomegranate peels have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Globally, around 1/3 of all food is wasted, about 1.3 billion tons each year. As awareness grows, the food industry is beginning to explore how to use peels more effectively. But you don't need to wait. You can start right in your kitchen. One simple solution is to use fruits and vegetables whole, including their peels in your daily recipes. Below are a few examples of how you can benefit from these often ignored parts. Onion skins. Onions are one of the most commonly used vegetables, but we usually throw away the skins immediately. That's a mistake. Onion peels contain flavonoids, antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits. They also contain tannins, which are the same compounds that give red wine its dry texture and can be used as natural dyes for fabrics. How to use onion skins as natural dye. Wash a piece of cloth like an old sock thoroughly. In a pot, add water and onion skins. Boil on medium heat for about 15 minutes until the water turns a deep yellow. Remove from heat, strain out the skins. Soak your cloth in the colored water for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Hang it to dry in a cool place without wringing. Try using different onion types to get shades of yellow and green. Ginger peels. Ginger is a daily use ingredient in many kitchens. While most people peel it before using, the peel itself contains fiber, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. How to use ginger peels. Use unpeeled ginger directly in your cooking. Add the peels to soups while boiling, and remove them before serving. Boil the peels in water and store the liquid in your fridge. Use it later in smoothies, juices, or vegetable dishes. Roast the peels in the oven, grind them into powder, and use this as a flavoring in tea or baked goods. Pineapple skins. Many avoid pineapples because peeling them seems wasteful, but those thick pineapple peels can be turned into a delicious fermented drink, mildly alcoholic and full of probiotics. How to make pineapple peel drink. Wash and cut one whole pineapple, keeping the peels. In a pot, add 3.8 liters, 1 gallon, of water and brown sugar. Heat until the sugar dissolves. Let it cool slightly. Then pour the mixture into a large jar along with the pineapple peels. Cover the jar with a cloth and secure it with a rubber band. The cloth should allow air in but keep insects out. Store at 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Check after 36 hours. If a white film forms on the surface, fermentation has started. For a stronger flavor, leave it to ferment longer. Once done, strain and store in the fridge. The final drink usually contains less than 1% alcohol, but the longer you leave it, the higher the alcohol content becomes. Final thoughts. The peels we throw away are often more valuable than we think, not just for nutrition, but also for sustainability. With a little creativity and awareness, you can reduce food waste, save money, and even explore new flavors and household uses. Next time you reach for the trash can with a handful of peels, think again. You might just be throwing away nature's hidden treasures. So next time you're about to toss those fruit and vegetable peels into the trash, just pause for a moment and think, could this be reused, repurposed, or even turned into something healthy and helpful? From natural dyes to flavorful teas and nutrient-rich broths, nature has already given us everything. We just need to look a little closer. I hope this video helped you see things differently and inspired you to reduce waste and get more from your kitchen. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and natural living ideas. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of the planet,